Hey, promise made, promise fulfilled. We are going to hit the ground running. And finally, we don't hit the ground and the ground is running. And you can't see anybody in Nigeria again suffering from Apollo because our eyes don't see Chege, see Banza. We are heading to Dampuroba because the current rate today is 960. So by the time we reach to Dampuroba, you go enter 1,000 something. By then, we go know say we don't reach promised land. You know? We voted for change, and everything must change automatically. Maybe you go change your friendship, change location, change a second penny, change family problem. You can as well change in law. Hey, onye gị efe na change ọ na ị ga-agbaribo ị ga-agwụnanụ na onye asịrị onye anya ukwu nta nke a gbụranụ gị na exchange rate but it's well we go conquer grace upon grace. Never you give up, the future is brighter, it go better. Okay, it go better. But we are really hitting the ground and the ground is running. The ground is running. So as well, we will stand on top of the ground, will as well run. Hey, have a nice day, okay?